Welcome everyone to week 13 of the project management course. This is a brief overview video of the assignments for this week. First, we have the course participation. Everyone should be very familiar with how to complete these by now. It's just a case study like all the other ones in the past. Next, we have the individual assignment Microsoft project. Now, the next few assignments will be different than what you're used to. You've completed these in the past, but this is going to be your final submission. So for your individual project, the Microsoft project file that you created, you're going to want to review and enhance it before you submit it to the week 15 link. So you're going to want to review the work breakdown structure, then make sure you have the appropriate amount of tasks for the project that you chose, the predecessors, how they are defined and are they in logical order, the duration, which is the appropriate amount of time, the critical path, is that defined, resources, did you define all the necessary resources, budget, all necessary items and workers have clearly defined amounts / pay, including overtime. I know a lot of people left out overtime pay from their submission a few weeks ago. And last but not least, the baseline. Then again, keep in mind, this is not due until week 15. The reason why I'm making this available so early is to give you an opportunity to really enhance your file. The biggest mistake I've seen so far is there's not that many tasks to some people's projects. So make sure you really focus on that work breakdown schedule. Next, we have the individual assignment final presentation. Again, this is something new. It's not due until week 15. First, you're going to want to watch the PowerPoint tutorial if you're not familiar with PowerPoint. Next, you're going to create a PowerPoint presentation that includes a slide from each of the following items, which are the title slide, the project selection, why did you choose that project, overview of SWOT analysis, overview of the project charter, overview of the scope statement, work breakdown structure summary, overview of resources, overview of budget, overview of risk assessment, project baseline, how will you stay on track, and a closing slide, project outcome. Step 3, you're actually going to have to record your voice or video, whichever one you want to do, so that you can explain each slide. Step 4, you're going to upload your PowerPoint presentation to the Module 15 submission link during the last week of the semester. The title slide and closing slide are worth 5 points each. All other slides are worth 10 points each. This assignment is worth 100 points, but keep in mind it's 5% of your overall grade since we're using the weighted grade system. Next, we have the group assignment Microsoft project. This is just like the individual assignment, except now this is for your group project. You work on this with your group. So with that said, I'm going to be expecting way more from these group assignments since there's multiple people, not just one individual. The same requirements are just like the individual Microsoft project assignment. Next, we have the group assignment final presentation. Then again, it's just like the individual assignment PowerPoint presentation, except now this is for the group. That means during step 3, when you have the voiceover, every group member should be taking a handful of these slides and performing the voiceover. This shouldn't be just one person performing the voiceover every slide. That's not the case. Okay, so keep in mind this is a team effort. And then once you create it, of course, within step 4, upload your team's PowerPoint presentation to the link within Module 15. I left the Microsoft project exercise tutorial videos within this module just in case you need to review them. And last but not least, you should complete the Chapter 13 quiz. Now keep in mind, the individual assignments and the group assignments are not due until the last week of the semester. All other assignments are due this current week. That concludes the video. Have a great week.